If you're in your 30s or 40s, you are alive at one of the best times in history to build something real. We are in the middle of the AI boom right now, and the gap between what you know and the technical skills needed to create something valuable has gotten way smaller. That means regular people now have access to tools that can help them write, build, research, design, organize, and create faster than ever before. If you sleep on this moment, you will probably regret it later. Now is the time to start messing with these tools, learning how they work, and using them to create value. You do not need to be a coder. You do not need to be an expert. You need to get in the game. My recommendation, in order, is Perplexity Computer first, then Claude AI, then ChatGPT. They are all amazing. Get on one of these AIs with one of these max plans and actually use it. Yes, it costs money, but the leverage is insane. You can talk to these tools in normal language, tell them what you want, and use them to help you make almost anything. Content, products, systems, businesses, ideas, offers, websites, whatever you are serious about building. The people who win in this era are not the smartest people sitting on the sidelines. They are the people who start now, experiment now, and learn by doing.